Hello everyone! On the second leg of our honeymoon trip, we went to New Zealand. New Zealand was an amazing country and we experienced so many things that this country had to offer. We went on a magical day trip to Hobbiton, explored underground caves, and simply enjoying its beautiful nature. And of course, we also indulged in lots of delicious yummy food. With that being said, let's go explore New Zealand. From our first destination, Tahiti, we flew about 6 hours to our next destination, Auckland, New Zealand. As soon as we landed, we picked up our rental car and drove to the closest mall. So we just landed like 2 hours ago? Like an hour ago?
Hour ago.
Now we're at the mall to buy this. We originally came to the mall to buy contact lens solution, but we decided to get some snacks for our road trip. 밥 주고 이거 먹고 싶다. 꿀까비기다.
이것도 있다.
큐. 맛짬뽕, 너구리, 라면. This market sold Asian goods and I became super excited seeing familiar products. After our shopping spree, we came to the food court to grab some bites before making our way to Cook's Beach. After our light meal, we made our way to our first destination. We have an hour and 50 minutes left until we get to Cook's Beach. I feel like we are already a little out in the suburb. Yeah. Do you know how I know, babe? There's no traffic. I feel like Frodo.
그때 그 처음 시작했을 때 그 블랙 라이트도 쫓아올 때. You know?
Yeah.
It's like foggy.
Yeah.
It's kind of like that.
Mr. Frodo, I'm your Sam. Samwise Gamgee. After 2 hours of driving on a windy road, with a few engaging conversation about Lord of the Rings, we finally made it to our first destination, Cook's Beach.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. There's coffee machine here with all these stuff, and this bed right here with chocolate and this
fruit.
something guava thing.
She did not say guava.
No, it was like mini guava or something. And then
This yogurt mango
thing, water,
milk.
and then let's go to the bathroom.
Oh yeah.
Bathroom. Whoa. Whoa, this huge shower.
The Airbnb we stayed at was really nice, with great amenities, many breakfast items, and it had an amazing bathroom. Gee, where are we, Oppa?
At the entrance to the Cathedral Cove.
Oh, cool! Early morning, we went to the Cathedral Cove where Narnia was filmed. Yes.
와, 멋있다.
Wow.
뉴질랜드구나.
From the entrance, it takes about 40 minutes by foot to get to the cove. So let's get going!
Should be fun.
Should be fun.
Hello fans.
Hello, fans.
We're walking down to the Cathedral Cove. So we walked from there and then we're going down there now.
우리 이번 트립에서
쇼거버스.
오늘이 처음 운동한 것 같아.
Life is hard.
Life is hard, but beautiful.
We're going down these steep set of stairs down to the beach.
After 40 minutes of walk, we made it to Cathedral Cove. Being at the Cathedral Cove was a surreal experience. As it was an iconic scene in Chronicles of Narnia, it felt like I was inside a movie. After enjoying the scenery, we left as we saw the clouds coming in.
And they tell me, princess, did you last let your heart decide?
I can open your eyes.
Open your eyes.
We are singing our way back to the car, and our next destination is Hot Water Beach.
Let's go!
It took 12 minutes to get to Hot Water Beach by car. Hot Water Beach is known for underwater hot springs that flows from the sand, and you have to shovel to get your own hot spa. So let's get shoveling!
내 생각에는 우리는 그 벽을 쌓아야 돼, 벽을. 벽 쌓는 게
더 중요해? We literally shoveled for about 30 minutes when the water swept away our sand and I got pretty upset. After that incident, we decided to leave because we realized that the tides were coming in. 가서 일해야지. We came to Hahe Beach Cafe to enjoy lunch. After our delicious meal, we came to Shakespeare Cliff Lookout, where I saw incredible views of Whitianga and the surrounding coastline. After a long day, we came back to the Airbnb before heading out to dinner. From our Airbnb, we took the ferry to the neighboring town as driving takes 3 or 4 times longer. We arrived at Whitianga to go to an Asian fusion restaurant. We were really craving Asian food, so we decided to come here. The vibe of the restaurant was pretty casual, and since we were so hungry from a day of physical activities, we ordered lots of food. After our lovely dinner, we walked around the town.
Hello.
Hello,
We're in downtown
it's me.
Whitianga, not Whitianga. Right here, it's popping right now.
There are no people on the street, just us. Just like that, we took a light stroll around downtown Whitianga to wrap up our second day.